guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I honestly had no idea what I wanted to film. I knew that I just wanted to do something that was kind of quick and easy, but also looked like you tried really hard and it was glam, and this is what I ended up coming up with. So it is a brown sparkly smoky eye, which is so quick and easy to do and so simple, and I love how it turned out. And a bold red lip. I have not done a bold lip in so long and it feels so good to have a nice red lip on again. So if you guys want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Urban Decay Bailout on the Run palette. I'm first going into Bailout. First going in with the Sigma Diffused Crease E38 brush. I'm going to start running this shadow back and forth through my crease. This is just going to be our transition shade. I'm now going into Faith. Now switching over to the E25 blending brush by Sigma, I'm going to start running this all the way through the crease, going back and forth in windshield wiper motions, and then start doing circular motions to start blending this out. And now I'm just picking up a little bit more of that shadow and just darkening it up. I really like the shade of this shadow. It's not too cool and it's not too warm. I feel like it's the perfect brown. I'm picking up this same shadow on my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush, and I'm going to start packing this shadow on my lid. And then just picking up a little bit of Bailout again on my E38 and just running that through the high point of the crease to blend everything out. While I'm still using this palette, I'm just going to finish off my lower lash line by applying Faith with my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush and just smoking that out. I'm now picking up Rebound. I'm now just going to pick a little bit of the shadow up on my E15 flat definer brush by Sigma, and I'm applying this really close to my lash line. And I'm doing this because I am going to be applying a black liner in my waterline, so I don't want it to have a really harsh stop between where the liner and then my shadow is going to be. So this is just going to help blend everything out, and then you can just lightly blend that shadow. To highlight my brow bone, I'm picking up Skimp. I just wiped off this E54 medium super brush, and I'm applying this shadow on the high point of my brow. And this shadow is actually so pretty. It has a little bit of a sheen to it, so it really nicely highlights the brow bone. Now for the sparkle for my lid, I'm picking up this Tarte Cosmetics Liquid Sea Glass in Night Dive. So I just applied this on my finger just so I have more control of where I want it to go, and I don't want it to be too intense. I just want a nice sparkle across the lid. So now I'm just gonna start tapping this all across my lid over top of this shadow. To line my waterline and tightline, I'm going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Perversion. I'm now just gonna line my upper waterline. And then I'm going to line my lower waterline. I'm now just going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going into the Salon Perfect Silk Noir Lashes in 652, and I'm just going to use this top pair where I stacked them. And that's the eye look done. Moving on to my lips, I haven't done a red lip or a bold lip in general in so long, and I'm feeling it today. I really want a nice bright red, so that's what I'm going to do today. So today I'm going into this Tarteist lip paint in Extra. It's such a pretty red, so I cannot wait to try it. And that is it. This is the completed look of my sparkly brown smoky eye paired with a bright red lip. I hope you guys enjoyed. I honestly forgot what it feels like to wear a red lip or just a bold lip. It makes me feel different. I just feel powerful and I can take on the world, and I don't know. But I'm loving the red and I love this shade, and the formula feels so nice. It doesn't feel drying and it feels amazing. It feels like very thin, like as if I don't have anything on. I don't know. It feels really nice, and the shade is perfect. So if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also a list of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma that I used in this tutorial, will be linked down below for you guys to find everything easier, and I think that should be it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!